This is a quick video tutorial on how to do this worksheet here. The very first step you should do is write SOHCAHTOA at the top of your paper. That way you can refer back to this as your formula and it'll help you decide which trig function to use to solve for the missing side. So in each problem you are given an angle. This angle, 55 degrees, is your reference angle. Now, you only need to label two of the sides. Label the side that you are looking for and label the side that you already know. So we know that this side is 11 and that is opposite to the reference angle. We're looking for x and that side is adjacent to the reference angle. So then ask yourself which of these trig functions says opposite over adjacent. That would be tangent. So you check that box, and I highly recommend at this point just going through the entire worksheet, labeling the sides, and deciding which function to use, checking off which function to use before you do anything else. After you do that, you're going to go back to problem 1, set up your equation, and solve. So to set up the equation for problem 1, because I have opposite over adjacent, I'm going to write tangent of 55 degrees equals the opposite side, 11, over the adjacent side, x. Then, like we did yesterday, you want to put your trig function over 1 and cross multiply. So 1 times 11, that is 11. And tangent of 55 times x is x, parentheses, tangent 55. This is how I want you guys to write it. Put that x in front. This way, we can recognize that we have to get rid of tangent of 55 by dividing both sides by tangent of 55. So after we divide both sides by tangent of 55, this will cancel out, and you have x equals this 11 over tangent of 55. This is what you are going to plug into Desmos. 11 divided by tangent of 55. And make sure that your calculator is in degrees mode. As a reminder, you'll click this little wrench here and select degrees before you get started. And we are dividing, so I'm going to type in 11 slash tangent 55, and my answer is 7.7. All right, let's do one more together. Next, let's do number 14. So once again, the labeled angle there is our reference angle. I only want to label what I know and what I'm looking for. So x is what I'm looking for. That is opposite to 31 degrees. And 12 is next to 31, so that's adjacent. Once again, I am using tangent. SOHCAHTOA, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So write out tangent of 31 degrees equals the opposite side, x, over the adjacent side, 12. Just like last time, we're going to put this over 1 and cross multiply. 1 times x is x. And remember, you cannot multiply an angle by a side length. So we're going to put that side length in front, 12, and write 12 times tangent 31 degrees. And the good news is, if you're using Desmos, you get to just type it on in like this. X equals, let's figure it out. So I'm going to type in 12 times tangent of 31 degrees, making sure I am still in degrees. I am, so our answer is 7.2. And that is your video tutorial. Use this to help you complete the rest of this worksheet. It is due at the end of the period. Be productive. Work together, be amazing humans. Okay, goodbye. Have a great weekend.